Hey guys, so it is Monday the 5th and we're going to be headed to Animal Kingdom, and we're going to be doing extended evening hours this time. So that's going to be definitely different for sure, because I'm so used to like Magic Kingdom and Epcot having the extended hours. So that's definitely different for sure. But we're going to be there until like 10 with the extended evening hours. And I'm very excited to see Pandora at nighttime, because I've never been to Animal Kingdom at nighttime before, because it always closed at like 6 or 7. So I'm really excited to do this. This is like a first for me. So our first Lightning Lane is going to be Flight of Passage. We have that booked a little later because my parents are going to be accompanying us. So we're going to be doing that. And then our first few rides are just going to be the regular line. And I am actually running late, so I do need to cut this entry short because I have to eat yet. I took way too long getting ready and I have to eat yet. So this is literally all I can have for breakfast. And I just snack on this until lunch because I can't tolerate anything else.
Oh, I'm feeling myself back. That's not
Would you look at that? There's a 10-minute wait.
on the way to Africa, where
Vlogger, okay. So we're off to Dinosaur. Hopefully it's working right. And I'm gonna try to get on this one as many times as possible. So this is gonna be our last, unfortunately. I'm devastated. That's the thing, this is like the last time we're gonna see this stuff. It's so tragic. They already have yeah, they are. They're actually working on it right now as we speak for Tropical Americas. I am so excited for this ride, but I'm just devastated at the same time. I'm clearly ready for this, as you can see. Very ready.
37-minute wait time.
Oh my god, 37. That's because it's going to be closing soon. Are you serious? I didn't even look. He gets me every time.
Brace yourself! This is it!
And now we're headed on Everest. Hopefully I'm allowed to take these. I don't know what's going to happen with these. We're just taking a break here. We just got off Everest. I needed a cracker break because, you know, my stomach. And then I got these after Dinosaur. I will show you back at the resort. I'm so excited. So excited. I had to because RIP Dinosaur. What a great view though, seriously. This is such a nice spot. Just got off of the Navi River journey with my family and Flight of Passage. That was super fun per usual, but we're gonna be just kind of relaxing from here, catch a few more lightning lanes, grab something to eat at 4 at Rainforest Cafe. So I'll show you guys the rest.
Too late.
My food is so sad. So sad. Yeah, that's fine. So we're just finished up our delicious meal here at Rainforest Cafe, and we're gonna head back into the park and hit up some lightning lanes with our extended evening hours. We got off Kilimanjaro and now we're gonna go head to Dinosaur again.
Look at that squirrel is hopping someone's stroller.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that black one.
What?
I'm pretty sure it's that squirrel hopping to one of the strollers.
We think a squirrel just hopped in someone's stroller. That's already happened. They post about that in the groups. Park's starting to clear out. I'm so excited. What? We're gonna have our extended evening hours on top of that, so this should be really nice. I'm very excited. Well, that concludes our day during normal hours here. So my mom and sister are checking out. They're gonna head back to the resort, and me, my fiance, and my dad are gonna finish up with some good rides. Such a hard time leaving today, realizing this is the last time we're gonna see this sign ever. So the only 2 rides open right now are the Pandora rides and Dinosaur, as well as Everest. This is what extended evening hours looks like. The park closed a few minutes ago and it is so quiet. I'm literally like partially whispering right now. It's so quiet here. So we're gonna end the night by riding Dinosaur, and then we're gonna be going back to Everest and then end it with Pandora. and I'm just loving how there's like no lines right now. The whole place is like basically empty, and the flight of passage is currently at like a 35-minute wait, which is like unheard of. So this is gonna be really nice. I'm super excited. What'd you do?
Okay. Or do expedition dinosaur and then go up that way from here.
That's what I was thinking when we were over there, and I'm like, well, he knows better than me. He knows better than me. Who am I? Well, okay, okay guys, change the plans. We're heading back to Everest. Let's go.
You were recording the whole time?
Yeah, sorry. This is so pretty at night. That was my first time being on Everest at night. That's just amazing. It's a whole other experience, so I highly recommend, if there's extended evening hours at Animal Kingdom, do it and get on Everest late at night. It is a whole other experience, you guys. It's incredible. Oh my god. This looks so pretty. It's like just glowing everywhere. Definitely a huge fan of extended evening hours. Huge fan. This is the only way to do Disney.
Now that they own Fox,
Well, that ends our night here at Animal Kingdom. And tomorrow we're going to be at Magic Kingdom doing a bunch of rides. And I'm very anxious to see how that turns out with my family. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and comment your thoughts below. Be sure to subscribe. You can't see my face.
subscribe to Legoholic 12 if you like Legos.
Yeah, okay, whatever. And look at that background, you guys. That looks so nice. Oh,
I know,
okay.
It do look nice. Don't worry.
Okay, nice.
The prettiest thing in the park.
Oh, thank you, honey.
I was talking about me.
Oh, okay. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Our crazy adventures. There we can see me. And see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
So I guess when they tell you to move, you really do have to move. Otherwise...